How to avoid scams on Temu app. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. Well, Temu is a global e-commerce marketplace that sells a huge variety of products at affordable prices. And it is one of the most popular new shopping apps. But is it safe and reliable? Well, based on research and reviews, yes, Temu is safe and reliable to shop at. Alongside offering loads of great value products, Temu also works hard to protect its customers' personal information and purchases. But as prevention is always better than cure, in this video we have listed some precautions that you can take to avoid scams on the Temu app or any similar platform. So let's get started. So firstly, before using any app, conduct thorough research to ensure its credibility. Look for users' reviews, ratings, and feedback from reliable sources. Next, verify the seller or service provider. When dealing with individual sellers or service providers on Temu, verify their identity and credibility. Check their profile, ratings, and reviews from previous customers. Look for any signs of suspicious activity, such as multiple negative reviews or lack of information. And always use secure payment methods. Stick to secure payment methods offered within the app itself, such as integrated payment, gateways, or escrow services. Also avoid sharing your financial information outside the platform or using unconventional payment methods that lack buyer protection. Next is to be wary of unrealistic offers. If a deal or offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. Exercise caution when encountering significantly discounted prices or offers that seem unusually generous. Scammers often use attractive deals to lure unsuspecting users. The next precaution is to report suspicious activity. If you encounter any suspicious activity or suspect someone of scamming, report it to the app's customer support or appropriate authorities. Your report can help protect other users from falling victim to scams. And now last but not the least, trust your instinct. If something feels off or suspicious during your interactions, trust your instincts and proceed with caution. Scammers often use pressure tactics, urgency, or requests for immediate payment to manipulate their victims. So always trust your instinct. And that's it. Well, although it's been said that Temu is pretty safe and reliable, you never know, right? Furthermore, these tips are general guidelines to help you stay safe on any online platforms like Temu. So always stay vigilant and use your best judgment and keep yourself informed about the latest scamming techniques. So that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.